Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. I'm Tom. Today we're going to be making some banana bread. To be more specific, we're going to be making called Holly's Banana Bread. I got it from a fellow YouTuber who I follow, and you should too. I'll leave a link to her channel. She's part of the Scottish Sisters. Well, let's get on with the show. Okay, we're going to start with 2 overripe bananas. Of course, you want to peel them. And we're going to take our little masher, mash them up. Get all that lovely banana goodness out of here, off the thing. Now we're gonna add it's 6.5 tablespoons of butter, or for you that use metric system, it's 110 grams approximately, and then 1 cup of caster sugar, which is sugar that's between regular granulated sugar and powdered sugar. It looks like this. It's finer than the table sugar, but not as powdery as the powdered sugar. We're going to cream these together. And you can make your own caster sugar if you can't find it by putting it through a grind, like a spice grinder or coffee bean grinder. Not so much that it's like flour, but just a couple buzzes will work. Okay. I need something different. Just the thing. See, it's coming together. Creamed. Now we add the two eggs to our banana mixture. 1/3 cup either skim milk or buttermilk. I like to use buttermilk. And in metric, that would be 85 milliliters. Mix that well. To this, we're going to add the sugar mixture, sugar and butter. One last thing we add to this before we move on to the dry ingredients is 1 teaspoon vanilla, set that aside. Okay, we're going to take 2.5 cups flour, all purpose. And I'm sure you could use gluten-free or alternative, but I don't know how well that would turn out. And we'll just sift it. What sifting does is it gets rid of the clumps that naturally form. If you don't have a sifter, you can use a strainer like I'm using, a fine mesh strainer. And we add 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, which is the same thing. Just different names from different countries. And 1/4 teaspoon salt. Just mix that up. Now we add the banana mixture into flour. can. Set that up. Now we add some chocolate. I'm using Ghirardelli bittersweet chocolate. It's the baking chips, and it's 60% cacao. Add a little bit more. You can use any kind of chocolate chips you want, or don't use them. Alright. Now we're going to take our two pans that are greased. I use butter. You can use spray, you can use oil, and I put a piece of parchment paper in the bottom and divide this up into two. We have our oven preheated to 350. I'm not sure what that is in Celsius off the top of my head. Looks like this one has a little bit more. Just plop. Even out. Tap it a little, just so it evens out. And on one of them, I'm just gonna put a little couple on top. Now we're gonna slide them into the oven for 30 minutes, and I'll see you in 30 minutes. Back, I pull them out. Second time. I'm gonna test them. Take a toothpick and a skewer, and the thickest, most centered part, as you can see, it came out clean. So that one's done. That off to the side. This one, same thing. And that one also came complete. So they're ready to cut. We'll plop them out. It looks like it kind of stuck, so we're gonna grab a little knife and run it around the edge. So. Grab our cooling rack. Well, it says for safety caution measures. The same here. It's been half an hour. We took them out. We're gonna cover them with foil. And we're gonna pop them right back in the oven for another 30 minutes. See you in another half hour. And now, we got some banana bread. We're gonna go to the table and taste it. See you in a minute. Here we are. Bon appetit. Pretty good. I like it. And nothing goes better with banana bread than coffee. So I want to hope you like this video. Thank you, Holly of the Scottish Sisters, for providing me with this recipe. Like I said, I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to hit the subscribe bell if you're not subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Ring the bell so you'll be notified of the next upload. And have a great night.